Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a psychotherapist, meridian therapist, writer, and today in this video we will do tap along on improving relationship with someone in your life right now. So for this session, for this work, I want you to focus on one person. So if you have that one person in your mind, or if you do this video multiple times, you can just focus on a different person each time. So I want you to focus on one person now in this session that you're just not seeing eye to eye with, or you have maybe a resistance to them, or you have anger towards them. Take a moment and think about that person. And you can close your eyes, you can picture that person in your mind, and you can just allow yourself to feel the stress, agitation come into your body and into your mind. And we can, after that, do our practice. So, find a quiet place for practice with me, and we will start. Good. So let's start tapping on the side of the hand like here and repeat these words after me if it feels okay. Even though this person really irritating me right now, and I don't know what to do about it. I've tried to be calm, but I'm just too irritated to be calm. And now every time I think of them, it makes me upset, and that's okay. That's really okay. I fully and deeply love and accept myself. Anyway, even though this person really irritates me, it's okay. I'm really okay with that. I'm allowing myself to relax, and I'm allowing myself to breathe with easy. And I fully and deeply love and accept myself anyway. This person, you can say their name if that feels more natural for you. This person, this person, this person really get under my skin. And I wish I wasn't so reactive to them, but I am. And that's okay, because I'm learning more about myself. And I'm learning how to let this feeling go. And I'm learning more about myself. And all this agitation and all this anxiety, all this worry, all these negative feelings toward this person, it's safe now to let this negativity go. Deep breath in. Now it is go to relax. It is good to relax and let go. Yeah, because it's okay if we don't see eye to eye. And it's okay if we don't agree about everything, because I'm wanting them to accept me the way I am. And yeah, sure, they have to be willing to accept them the way they are. And I'm okay. And I'm open to do it. And I'm open to doing that deep, deep, deep connection with them. So I release and let go of all this negativity and resistance toward this person, so that I can move on with my life, and I can choose to allow myself to feel good with or without this person. So I'm choosing to just relax and let go. And I'm choosing to feel good right now. And Right now, right here, I'm releasing and let go inside of me, everything what is inside of me. And I'm releasing and letting go now. And it feels so good to let this feeling go. And I fully and deeply love and forgive myself and anyone else who may be involved. And I fully and deeply love, honor, and accept myself, no matter what. Deep breath in, exhale. Good. Just take your time and you can tune back into that person, bring them to mind. If there is still some agitation, just go back and do a few more rounds, and you'll notice that the less resistance you have towards them, the less agitations, is that naturally you'll start just noticing that the relationship will become smoother, even if you don't agree with each other, even if you are still you. A smooth, harmonious experience you can have with each other, and that's great. Just take a deep breath in, tap on your wrists, tap on your chest, your hand. One more time, switching the sides. One more time. Hands on your lower belly. Deep breath in, exhale. Stay here few seconds, 1 minute, two, as long as you want. This is your time. Shake yourself a little bit. Thanks for your time. It's truly great that I can share this practice and this wonderful ancient knowledge with you. And if you have any topics you'd like to work on, please share with me. I look forward to you sharing them with me in the comments below, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like this video of course, and share it with those who will find it useful. And see you in the next episode. Have a lovely day.